how to use a washing machine. Open the washing machine and fill it with your clothes. Then open the drawer and put in your washing powder. Move the dial and press start. Once the machine is finished, open the door. You can now get out your clean clothes. Don't forget, close the door once you are done. Thanks for watching.